Good afternoon, sir. It's Friday here. How may I help you, sir?
Hi Friday, what is the time right now?
The current time is 13 hours 17 minutes and 3 seconds, sir.
Friday, please send me the information about Shah Rukh Khan in Wikipedia.
Searching in Wikipedia. According to Wikipedia, the response to the 2014 Peshawar school massacre, that occurred on December 16, 2014 was widespread. The attack occurred at the Army Public School in the Pakistani city of Peshawar, killed a total of 145 people, which included 132 school children and 10 school staff members.
Shah Rukh Khan, Wikipedia.
Searching in Wikipedia. According to Wikipedia, Shah Rukh Khan, pronounced Arkhzan, born November 2, 1965, also known by the initialism SRK, is an Indian actor, film producer, and television personality. Referred to in the media as the Badshah of Bollywood, in reference to his 1999 film Badshah, King of Bollywood and King Khan, he has appeared in more than 80 Hindi films, and earned numerous accolades, including 14 Filmfare Awards.
Friday, open YouTube.
Opening YouTube.
Friday, please be kind enough to open Google.
Opening Google.
Friday, please open my personal website.
Opening Lucifer website.
Friday, would you please play some music? Play music.
Playing songs from your folder.
I'm sorry, but don't wanna talk.
Please repeat, sir.
Friday, open Sublime.
Please repeat, sir.
Please open Putty. Friday, send an email to me.
What should I send, sir?
This is a test message for YouTube.
Email has been sent, sir.
Thank you, Friday. Power off. Shut down.
Shutting down, sir. Happy to help. Bye.